guys, we're back at our boat. I gotta change the wheel on my jack because just from it sitting here for a few months, I don't know, must have been some cheap plastic it broke, so I'm gonna get that swapped out quick. Nice. This one got straight fusilli, dude. Everything now is junk. Everything made now is complete junk. Alright, gotta get the fenders unbolted from this old pile of junk. That side too. Put it on my trailer. Huh. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. You love when your nut gets stuck? Oh, you probably can't even see. Oh, nice. I love when it breaks up. Great, now it's stuck. Well, I was gonna use my old fenders, but they're too long, so I need to get another one. So I'm probably not gonna put fenders right now. Don't really care. Alright, here's the bilge of the regulator. I'm just gonna go over the boat because we will be gutting the wiring in here this week. I'll probably take these out. There's no need for these to still be in here. It's just corroding away. This pump got a little corrosion on it, so maybe replace that. This pump looks brand new. Overall, Bilge looks nice. Just got to put some new wiring in there. We are also changing these to twist lock gem locks, kind of like this. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe change this one. It works. No need to change it. This one we won't be putting that because it's right in the center, but I will fix that. Nice. I can't wait to rip it all out. That's a subwoofer. Do you guys recommend something that's like this? I'm not sure if I'm a big fan of this. It's causing a lot of interference, but it might just be all of this nonsense that's in here. Them using car audio wire didn't really help. That's the heading sensor for the autopilot. He said that it never really held heading, so that should not be in here ever. This is gonna have to be mounted somewhere in the center of the boat, facing forward. Yeah. So basically my first step is to cut all the zip ties, unplug, and move over anything that we're keeping, and then just rip out all the battery cable, switch wire, pump wire, all that kind of stuff. Oh, the switches. Oh, we're gonna get rid of this old style toggle switch and push button breakers, and we're gonna do single push button switches. Much cleaner look. We're gonna get another carbon fiber panel made, same size, just it'll hold 12 circle push button switches. Another thing we're doing on here, we're getting rid of those lights there. We're gonna do strip lighting. It's gonna run the whole length of the boat. I'm never really a big fan of individual lights under the gunnels because you kind of just see where those lights are. When you have the whole strip, it kind of makes the whole boat glow, you know, like glow in the dark. But yeah, here's before. I know Captain Jacoby was saying how he doesn't really like this here, so maybe I can switch that to here. I'll see what the holes look. I don't think I can, but I'll see what I could do. Another thing is they had a, oh, did I just find it? They had a steering leak. Maybe we change the steering lines too. It's probably a good idea. Those don't look very good. Steering cylinder's pretty old. I was gonna change the end caps. Yeah. Change the end caps, put new steering hoses. I'm gonna recommend we put a second bilge pump. There is only one bilge pump in this boat, and I cannot stand that. One bilge pump and no float switch. Oh man. Right. Yeah. Yeah. I don't see a float anywhere. Ooh, sorry. It's one of them automatic with the built-in floats. That's good, but I still think we should have a second pump in here. Especially when you go into the Bahamas all the time. What do you think? I don't know if you probably can't tell, but dude, this wire literally feels like jellyfish. Like, not even kidding, it's like goo. As I'm saying that, it just falls out. Nice. Sick. Whatever that was, it's no good. Alright, well, that's really it for this. I went through the whole boat. I've already ordered a bunch of wires, connectors, bus bars, and all that fancy stuff. I just gotta order these and a few couple other little things, and I'm sure I'll have to order like 90 other things that I didn't notice yet, but enough to get me started. Thanks for watching, guys.